Hi YouTube, this is Trinice and I'm coming at you guys to do a brief TTC update and let you guys know what's going on with me. Last time I came to you guys, I told you that Upflow showed, and so we are taking a break, a long awaited break this month from the whole trying to conceive thing. Just really burnt out right about now. And plus I have some other things that's going on in my life right now, like school, and just ready to take a break. Um, as far as the trying to conceive, I will not give up. We are definitely, going to continue with the whole trying for baby number two, but I do feel like there are some things I need to get done first. With me talking to the nurse Monday, I called her and told her Aunt Flo started, and she was like, "Well, we need to get you in tomorrow for day three ultrasound and blood work." And I was like, "Oh, no, no, no! I just want to take a break this month, and I want you to ask my doctor if he will do a laparoscopy." I explained to her, my last pregnancy was a heterotopic pregnancy. I don't know what triggered um, what happened that I wound up with a heterotopic pregnancy and pregnant in one of my tubes as well as my uterus. And I did have a laparoscopy, emergency surgery, the day that I actually found out that there were two babies, two heartbeats. They told me to go straight to the hospital, and I had to have surgery right then. But when I had my surgery, because I was just so devastated and worried about, what was going to happen with my uterine pregnancy, they just basically opened me up, removed my tube, tried to do as less, moving things around and probing around, and closed me back up to try to maintain the other pregnancy. So we don't know what actually happened with that. Of course, I was already pregnant with Miss London, so we've been trying for a year, no birth control or anything, and it's just not happening. I have been taking, the glucovage like I did the month that I could conceive Miss London, on and off for the last year. As far as the weight is concerned, my weight has fluctuated anywhere from 15 to 20 pounds up and down. And so I feel like um, if I was going to get pregnant, I'd be pregnant by now. I feel like there's more going on internally. And of course, if something is wrong on the inside, and I'm just physically trying every month with taking a clomid, this, and that, then we're not going to get pregnant anyway. And I'd rather know that. For a lot of you that have dealt with infertility, you know how stressful getting those negatives are every month. And if I'm getting a negative because something's wrong on the inside, then I will feel more comfortable. It gets stressful. You beat yourself up every month that it just doesn't happen. And I don't want to continue to do that to myself. I kind of want to have a clear state of mind and know what's really going on with me. And am I just trying in vain and it's not going to happen? And I just need to go ahead and say, okay, let's move ahead with IVF, such and such date, and until further notice, then I'm just living my life and I'm not stressing about it. Dealing with my doctor, every month after a cycle doesn't work out, it's like, well, let's try this, let's try that. I'm tired of being let's try this, let's try that, because I'm the one having to deal with the end result when it doesn't happen, and my feelings are crushed, and I'm hurt and had to recuperate. And me and hubby have spent so much time, not just time but money, paying co-pays, gas going back and forth to the RE, a numerous of things. So I feel better knowing what's going on the inside, making sure everything's good on the inside just as well as the outside, and taking it a step further, because from what my results have shown up to now, like I said, husband semen analysis is great. I passed all my tests. I was advised to go back on the glucofage just because I did pass my glucose test, but it was on the higher end. So, but with me going back on it, being on it for a couple of months now, I still have yet to conceive, and there is basically no other reason why we aren't conceiving. So I feel like I need to have a laparoscopy done, and my doctor did agree to do that for me. So the nurse called and she actually told me that the doctor's gonna move ahead with doing a laparoscopy. We kind of having a conflict as far as the dates right now because hubby just started a new job, and of course, when I have a surgery, I need him to be there. He is gonna be there, and I don't have to take off just for me to have surgery when he's already off like 2 days a week. So we're trying to schedule the surgery around the days that he's already off, so therefore it doesn't interfere with his work. And that's pretty much it for now. I'm on my weight loss journey. I am down like 4 pounds since the last time I came to you guys. 3-4 pounds since the last time I came to you guys. So I'm doing really, really good. I have my shrimp cooking right now. I guess I'm gonna have maybe some shrimp and a salad today. Well, for dinner. Miss London is with her granny, so I kind of have some free time to myself and able to clean up the house and all this stuff. And I thought I would come to you guys and give you an update. So as far as my surgery date, they were trying to go for June the 2nd, but that date fell through. And plus, she said that was a day that she was trying to squeeze me in, but my RE had some IVF cycles going on around that time, and I told her never mind, because I don't want him to be rushing me and rushing through my surgery. I want him to be able to take his time, tell me what's going on, and I'm not just in a rush because this month, of course, I'm taking a break anyway. So we opted that for me to call her the next time my cycle starts, because he wants to do it earlier in my cycle, to make sure that I'm not pregnant when he does the surgery. Like she said, he wants to do it like after Aunt Flo goes off. So that will probably be around the 15th of June, the week after, or somewhere in there. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm taking a break. I'm enjoying my break. And till next time, I guess I'll keep you all updated. Until next time, peace and love, and God bless.